Hi my friends, how you doing? So I'm doing this video today. I'm in my Coinbase account. Whether you're on Coinbase Pro, it doesn't matter. I'm in my Coinbase account, okay? I have several accounts, but I want to show you this coin right here called Alchemy Pay, okay? I'm going to double down on Alchemy Pay, and I'm going to tell you why. This is not financial advice, but this is what I am doing. I am Romeo the Professor. Follow me and subscribe, okay? I talk about making money and new coins and also traveling and enjoying yourself, okay? First, I want to buy this coin, and I'm going to tell you why. So I'm going to click trade, convert into another coin. So I have what I call USD coin right there. So I'm going to buy $1,000 worth. Now, by the time I'm done with this coin, I will have loaded about $15,000 into this coin. Now, I like also buying coins on my Trust wallet, okay? And so I just now did that. I bought this coin again. Now, let's find out about the coin. So Alchemy Pay, pay attention. The last month, I would say the last week, it did 1,200% increase within the last week. Okay? So in a month, it did about 1,000%. If we look at all time it went up to 4 cents. And right now it's at 2 cents. But if we look at the all-time win, it will say September 15th, 10th, around that time, it hit its all-time high. Okay? So, I believe that this coin have a lot of potential. And I'm going to tell you why I believe that. Now, can I be wrong? Yes, I can be wrong. But it depends on how long. I know I'll be right, but it could be 2 months, right? Or within 6 months, right? Or within a year, right? I'm okay because I will hold this coin. Now, so this coin, ACH, is an Ethereum token that powers Alchemy Pay, a platform that enables payments using a wide variety of fiat cryptocurrencies. Fees are paid using the ACH token, and users can earn ACH reward and purchase it. What I like about it, it says enable payments using a wide variety of fiat. Fiat, that means all other countries. So let's look at the official website and why I'm bullish on this coin. So it says be connected globally. Alchemy Pay, world first hybrid crypto and fiat payment gateway. It's working with 65 countries, and it will be working with more. Over 300 fiat and crypto payment channels. Okay, these are the payment gateways. You see all these payment gateways? Now, they have 100+ strategic partners, and this is huge. We have Celio, Shopify, which is huge, Binance, Arcadia. So now you see their partners. Now, the applications, they're currently using about 3,000 offline businesses. They're associated with over 3,000 offline businesses that wants to accept payments so that they can use and accept cryptocurrency payments through end users like us. So you have the app, you have the POS system, that's for offline businesses. You have the web, and you have the card, the debit card. So now you can experience digital currency payments here, meaning you can make payments. Now, cryptocurrency to card and mobile wallet with just one payment system. Easy to use, because right now cryptocurrency, people who have cryptocurrency, it's hard to use your money now where you have to withdraw it back into your bank account to use it. That's too many steps. And right now we're starting to get a lot of crypto debit cards like crypto.com debit card or BitPay. But now this is making it easier. Okay? Now, the token, which I bought, ACH token, are used to pay any fees related to the Alchemy Pay platform. Okay? Now it says click on logo to buy ACH any of these exchanges. Now, just to let you know, you can buy it now on Coinbase. So it's not just in these exchanges. You can buy it on Coinbase Pro or regular Coinbase. If you buy it on Coinbase Pro, the fees are less. If you buy it on regular Coinbase, it's a little bit more, but I'm okay with that. So now that you see this, let's look at the market cap. The market cap is right around 72 million. I believe that the market cap will grow and be close to, by the end of December, 200 million. So that's why I'm bullish on this coin, and I will be buying more of this coin. Now, I am Romeo the Professor. You can follow me, you can subscribe, you can share, and you can tell anyone this. Now, if you don't know anything about crypto, I will have a course link where all you have to do is enter your name and email address, and A to Z Investor will email you a lesson a day up to 3 days. And if you want to take our course, you can take our course. I am Romeo the Professor, Alchemy Pay. I'm going to enter in it very bullishly. Thank you. This is not financial advice.